Hey guys, Andrew here. Today we will be making chocolate chip cookies with two different techniques. One like equals to one stroke for Mr. Walnut and one pad for Dankmeister chocolate. I've given names to food. I'm probably going insane. Anyways, let's go baby. You like your cookies soft in the middle? We got them. You like them crunchy in the middle? We got them. Good. So to start off, let's chop up some chocolate. Pick up 300 grams of good dark chocolate. That is 70% cocoa. Now get a knife and start chopping that chocolate into random sized pieces. They should be pretty small. Then get around 200 grams of walnuts and chop them up like you did with your chocolate. Great. Now on the stovetop, melt 280 grams of unsalted butter on low heat into a saucepan. Once melted, set it to the side to cool. Cool. Good. Now it's time to weigh out our dry ingredients. Start off with 500 grams of all-purpose flour. To that, add 5 grams of salt, 8 grams of corn or potato starch, doesn't really matter. Then add in 6 grams of baking soda. Whisk it all to combine, and into another bowl add in 285 grams of brown and 115 grams of white granulated sugar. Now, since I've picked up a way too small bowl, I decided to transfer the sugar to a bigger bowl, but also decided to transfer my flour to a clear big bowl and then my sugar to the bowl that had all the flour in. Anyways, bowlception. Now, once your butter is room temp, start whisking your sugar and pouring in that sexy butter. Whisk constantly while drizzling for about 10 minutes or so until it looks something like this. Beautiful. Now, while mixing, add in 2 eggs and 2 egg yolks, one at a time. Add one, then mix until fully incorporated. And of course repeat. Amazing. Now it's time to combine your dry ingredients. Add in some of your flour mixture and mix. Then add in some more until there's no flour left. Now, once you can't see any dry spots, add in your chocolate and walnuts. Mix until fully incorporated. Now before baking the cookies, you should cover the dough with plastic wrap and let it chill in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Preferably 45 or even more. Awesome. Now once it's out of the fridge, get a spoon or an ice cream scoop and scoop some balls. Get it? Like, okay, yeah, I'll show myself out. Anyways, scoop out around 150 gram balls of dough and then place them on a non-stick sheet pan or parchment paper in the sheet pan. There will be a bunch of cookies to be made here, so get ready. Now, I tried 2 methods to make the cookies. Into one non-stick pan, I placed just regular chilled balls of dough and then put them in the fridge to cool for 10 minutes. Now the other one, I did this technique that I learned from Binging with Babish, where you break your dough balls into 2 halves and then place them the rough side up on a pan. Spread them out evenly. They shouldn't spread out a lot while cooking, so don't leave a ton of free space. Now place them in the fridge to cool for 10 minutes also. We'll see how it goes. Great, now place them to a preheated 190 degrees Celsius oven if you want them a little soft in the middle for 10 to 13 minutes. And if you want them dry and crunchy, crank the heat up to 210 degrees Celsius. And again, about 10 to 30 minutes. Good. Now let's check the first batch. Okay, they have pretty nice peaks. Not as rough though. Super soft in the middle. Look at that dough. What could be better in life?
The key is to enjoy life.
Good. Okay, enough of this batch. Now it's time for the other batch. And these came out not as tall, but they look way more rough and spiky. Also, a quick mistake I did was that I didn't mush the 2 halves back together strong enough. That's why some of the cookies came in 2 parts. But all things considered, these are great crunchy cookies. Good. Don't forget to remove them on a wire rack to cool. Awesome. My favorite way to eat these is with a glass of milk. God damn. Anyway guys, thank you for watching this week's video. If you found it helpful and you want more videos like this, please smash that like button. It helps me know that I'm doing a great job. Also, that way Mr. Walnut and Dankmeister chocolate won't be so lonely. Alright guys, thanks for watching and see you on the next one. Peace!